Yes, you're seeing correctly 4 different screens running on one operating system. You could do so much with this: video editing, gaming, streaming, PlayStation, Xbox. It does it all as far as whatever you're going to throw at it. But what we're going to be checking out today is Mobile Pixels Geminos Dual 24-inch stackable monitor. It's a desktop monitor here. You can see it on the right. If you were to actually measure both monitors together, it's 34 inches, but each monitor is running at its own output, so you could do all kinds of things with the monitors themselves. They are 60 hertz, 1080p. They're not the fastest, latest, and greatest gaming monitors, but they're very decent monitors in that the 250 nits, 1080p, and they are 94% RGB, which is very nice for editing, things like that. So here's the box that it comes in. And you can see right on the back of the box, there's a couple features here. Number one is this dock. You can kind of see it in the photo here. I'll show it to you more later, but it has Ethernet. It has a micro SD and SD card. It has 3.5 for your headphones. It has an extra 2 USB ports, all kinds of things. It even has 2 speakers. The speakers are pretty nice. But this is what makes it so cool here is this diagram you're seeing here. It can lay totally flat with its base, like a pancake. You can open it as an L shape, where you have one monitor on at the bottom, one on the side, and then you have you can go fully vertical or slightly vertical, as you can see. Also, as you see here, it does have a 100-watt USB pass-through. So this is where I think it's going to be really good for Macintosh, Mac owners, because there's not many inputs and outputs on the MacBook Air and MacBook, so it totally makes it, or even the Mac Mini. And so it adds all these extra inputs and outputs that you saw there that I mentioned earlier. It also has these speakers here. You can kind of see the speakers. Here's the 2 USB A ports. And then on the other side, you'll see that there's a micro SD as well with another speaker. The speakers do point up, which is also nice for a monitor. And this thing is all aluminum. You'll see the bezels and things like that are super slim, super nice. The entire backside is aluminum as well. So it looks really good, and it's very durable as well. So here we go, my first setup. I'm playing Fortnite on the bottom left side. I have my YouTube streaming up at the top. I'm not actually streaming, but I'm just showing you what it might be like. And then I have a YouTube video on the main laptop screen. So I am running one through HDMI, one through USB Type-C to my laptop, and then my laptop's display is running as is. And all you have to do to edit these settings is go right-click on your desktop, go to Display Settings. There's no drivers you need to install. Here I'm showing you the different settings you have with the touch controls on the monitor itself. You can change the temperature, the contrast, the brightness. It even has eye care pre-installed. So now back to the ultimate setup here, where I have it hooked up to a different laptop with 3 additional screens is really what you're looking at. My gaming monitor on the left, and then I have this Geminos in the middle. Now I did want to show you this display here of how you can set it up with a Macintosh, maybe an Apple TV, a Mac Mini, and or an Apple laptop. And as you can see on my setup here, in the right hand corner, you can see how I have my desktop set up. When I right click my desktop, you can see the settings I have here. I have a display 1 on the right, display 4 is my gaming monitor. So the gaming monitor is going to have a higher refresh rate, higher resolution, and then you can use that middle monitor here, the Geminos, to do everything else. I think a lot of people are going to like this from a minimalist perspective because your dock and the screens and everything are all together. There's just one power cord and then the display cables. That's all you have to run. So I think that's where a lot of people are going to enjoy this thing, is the minimalist community, the people that don't want a lot going on. When you're done with this thing, remember, you can just sandwich it back up and it will work just fine. You can see here, I have a little bit of glare on the top one from the light that's on, but really, if you're in person, it looks great. Now, in this video, I didn't do any video editing or audio editing, but I think this is where a lot of people are going to enjoy this product, is with this, so it looks something similar to what you're seeing on your screen here. You can have, whether it have like your bank of clips or your bank of videos on one side and then your timeline on the other, or however else you want to format it. If you're a programmer, you can have, your code on one screen, a browser on the other, and maybe a YouTube video on the other, whatever you're working with. Maybe you have Slack open, something like that. I can see a lot of people liking it for that. Like I said, it's built really well. We're going to check it. It does come with a built-in webcam as well. So you're not just buying 2 monitors. You're buying 2 monitors with a really deluxe monitor stand, with a dock, and with a webcam. And so when you add all that up individually, it makes sense for the price point they're aiming for this product right now. So you have many options here. You can move the monitor to the left. You can only use this monitor. You don't need the gaming monitor as well. You have a few different options here. Now, for what my viewers want to see is, you know, hey, I have an arcade. I want to run my vertical games on this. And as you can see, it does have a line there. You know, obviously it's two different monitors. But you absolutely could play a game like this, or even a shoot 'em up or something like that. You know, something like, you know, 1942, 1943 would look really cool on MAME. You could just stretch the window out. There's probably other ways you can handle it as well. And then if you're building like an arcade or something, you can have like one be a marquee or something like that. So there's a lot of little fun things you could do with this setup. I just wanted to show you one, especially my viewers who might be using it for retro gaming or something like that. You get really creative with this setup right here. So what I haven't showed you is what the setup can actually do as far as moving. I have it kind of sandwiched here, but as you see here, you just pull down and the whole screen will come down while it's on. And then now for the webcam test, you can see it's decent. I mean, it's definitely a lot better than what you're going to find in most laptops. So that is an added bonus for you. And this hat has fake hair on it, in case you're wondering. And yeah, so it works. There you go. That's the kind of quality you can expect. And then one last time, sandwiching this thing up. Final thoughts are, it's really cool, especially if this is what you're into. If I was a Mac user, I would totally get this, no doubt. I kind of play more PC games myself, so I would probably use this if I was a streamer and or a more extreme video editor. I love the fact that it sandwiches up. You could put it away. You could pull it tight. Standing desk, sitting desk works for all those applications. And then when you really think about the price point, you are getting two monitors. So, you know, I think if it's something you need, great. If it's something you don't need and you just need like a lot of people just need a regular old monitor, like a 32-inch monitor would just be fine, then go for that. But I definitely think there's a market for this, and it's a pretty cool little thing. I can't wait to see what they come up with next. But anyways, that's what I think. Let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. How many monitors do you have going on at the same time here, dude? So you're updating your game. You got a YouTube video there, and you got a YouTube video there. You could have your Twitch chat over there if you wanted.